Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be discussing Tesla accepting Dogecoin, when it's going to happen, what exactly to expect when it does happen, and we'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. And if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, when there is a huge dip, I let you guys know that I'm buying, and then when I'm ready to sell, when we've made big profits, I let you guys know that I'm selling so you guys can as well, or hold with diamond hands. So congratulations to everybody who's a patron of mine, because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smashing that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, today has mostly been a red day. However, we did pump all the way up to 34 cents. As you notice throughout the crypto market today, most are in the red. However, Bitcoin has remained in the green. With a lot of people traveling, financial institutions having a lot of their employees traveling, Fridays, especially during the summer, are generally very low volume days. So this was to be expected. Everything's normal, guys. Do not panic and do not panic sell. And because these are summer months, in general, these months can be slow. This is a great time to get in. Buy at the discount. You don't want to have FOMO and wish you'd got in before. Historically, these summer months are completely normal for them to be a lot of red days because people are on vacation with much lower trading volume. Guys, get greedy. Have some cash on the side. Be ready for my trade alert when to buy the dip on Patreon. It's really the best time to get in during these infancy stages, especially at the dip on these red days. You will make profit and you will make it fast. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. However, this is just simply my opinion based on my experience and software. We are still in our bull run, but this is a cool down, cool off corrections period. It's okay. It will go right back up. With every dip, we have to have a bounce. This is what the whales want. This market manipulation is completely normal with the FUD and fear and greed out there. Guys, now is the time to get greedy. They've got what they wanted. The whales scared all the little retailers, the brand new investors with paper hands. They sold out. Now is the time to get in. At that dip, the whales are getting in. You want to get in. They know what they're doing. Follow the whale, and that's what I help you do on my Patreon. Guys, in my opinion, cryptos are overextended. They have gone below what really they're valued at, much lower. At this point, if you get in, it's as likely to bounce and bounce hard with lots of profits in a very short time. Towards the end of the month, give it 15 days, I think that we will have major bounces with many straight green days. Guys, I'm sure as you're wondering, is Tesla going to accept Dogecoin and when? Guys, I promise I'd answer these questions in today's video, and that's exactly what I'll do. So I'm sure as you know, at the beginning of the year, Tesla just started accepting Bitcoin as an acceptable currency for their vehicles. However, recently, Elon Musk put that to a halt publicly on Twitter, saying that it was not eco-friendly to continue using Bitcoin, at least as of now, until it is further developed and worked in an efficient way. And just as the developers promised, they've been working to make it more efficient. They will be finished soon, and I believe that Tesla will in fact start accepting Bitcoin once again. This will cause Bitcoin to go back up in value, just as they'd planned behind the curtains with their market manipulation, then in fact causing the rest of the crypto market to go up as well with Bitcoin, as it does, following closely with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes up, the entire crypto market does as well. And when Bitcoin goes down, the entire crypto market ends up going down as well. Unless this happens rarely, but it does happen sometimes when Elon Musk pins Dogecoin against Bitcoin, in which we can see Dogecoin level out, stabilize, and be a very strong price while the rest are going down, which we had seen only a month ago. As you saw on Twitter, just about a month ago, Elon Musk teased the idea of accepting Dogecoin as payments for Tesla with a poll asking people if they would purchase Tesla with Dogecoin, with 85% of people saying yes. Guys, he wouldn't have teased this, I promised you, unless he was actually promising this in his head to actually bring this to reality. He is currently working with the developers. This is no secret, and I think they will be finished very soon. and announce very soon, within the next couple of weeks, that they will be accepting Dogecoin as payment for Tesla. I don't think he was necessarily trying to hurt Bitcoin. However, it may have been in the cards and in the plans. And the reason I think this is simply because I think he was trying to pump Dogecoin, get it more accepted by society so that he could end up selling Teslas for Dogecoin. And in the mix, while doing this, he had to put Bitcoin down because Dogecoin is simply so much more efficient. He admits that he's working for transaction efficiency with the Dogecoin developers to make it even more profitable and much more efficient to use with Tesla and other infrastructures that he's working on. He has admitted in several tweets that Dogecoin will in fact overcome all other cryptocurrencies and becoming the #1 supreme cryptocurrency. He's done this secretly through memes, and people really look into these memes and see what's behind them. And the crypto experts have determined that these memes are explaining that Dogecoin will in fact take over the world as the #1 currency of the earth. Banks and other corporations are coming out with a lot of fake news because they know if the cryptocurrency market overtakes the banks will be no longer. They're trying to put it down, and they're trying to put fear into the marketplace, causing the small retailers with paper hands to sell. You don't want to be one of them. Guys, the last time Bitcoin hit $30,000, all this fake news was saying, oh, it'll go down to 15, 17,000, but guess what? It never did. It skyrocketed from there. They were trying to make the small retailers with paper hands panic sell, as they always do. Even Elon Musk has tweeted out, don't panic sell. He knows this is the perfect message simply because everybody who has diamond hands and holds with Dogecoin will inevitably make the value of Dogecoin go up. Like I always say, the stronger the dip, the stronger the bounce. It might only be a couple weeks. It might be up to 2 months. Guys, it doesn't matter. As long as you hold with diamond hands, you will make more money than you've put in. Guys, it's not over. This is simply the infancy stages of Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, and the perfect time to get in. You want my buy and sell trade alerts because if you are brand new to trading, it really does help to give you a pathway and a way to know when to buy, when to sell, the biggest questions for beginner investors. With so many awesome fundamental catalysts in the works for Dogecoin, expect to see a lot of green days, especially within the next 30 to 90 days. When they start to take off, people will have FOMO. They'll start to put more of their money into Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, simply causing the market to go right back where it was just 2 months ago. And if you guys don't yet have a platform to buy cryptocurrencies with, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you use that link and deposit over $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $8,000 each. Guys, it's a no-brainer. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So guys, when we look at the chart, as you can see, we've been trading sideways. We've been consolidating. Guys, this is what happens right before a huge breakout. It either breaks up or it breaks downwards, and I believe that we are breaking upwards. I believe we will continue our bull run. Expect on Sunday a lot more volume and a lot more people getting back into the market, and a big green day on Monday. Expect for a huge breakout with Bitcoin very soon as well, just after this weekend, and of course causing all other cryptos to go in the uptrend as well. Expect to see Bitcoin to hit over 40,000. We have the textbook inverse head and shoulders, which is of course a dead giveaway for a bullish symbol and a breakout coming very soon. Guys, I believe next week we will see above 40 cents for Dogecoin. Let me know in the comments below if you do agree with that. And guys, as I watch the charts throughout the day, I let you guys know when I see that dip. So I let you guys know when I'm buying so you guys can buy as well. It's incredibly cheap. To check out my Patreon, just look in the top pinned comment where I offer portfolio building, one-on-one consulting, and a lot of other awesome benefits. And guys, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, all you do is subscribe, smash that like button, ring that bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thanks so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.